changing the view in my window. I'm still alone, biting my peelings. You vanished away like a cigarette smoke. I hate the silence, the wild ticking clock. The sore wanting body is currently in pain. The full greedy lips are burning in flames. The thoughts of you, sweet agonizing torture. I invented you. You are so perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. You're perfect. The ground vibrates beneath my feet. You're in my head, you are so deep. Madness in my veins, explosions in my brain. Cocoon in my own thoughts, I still hear your whispery voice. Intoxication veins block my heavy breath. Wild magnets make me insane. Punch with pleasure, please with pain. Stoned by your spanking gaze, I crave the scent of you on me. Maybe it's time to lose my mind, close my eyes and breathe you in. Maybe it's time to listen to my heart and hate the pain and let you in. Maybe it's time to lose my mind, close my eyes and breathe you in. Maybe it's time to listen to my heart and hate the pain and let you in. Hope in the misery, chaos in harmony. So far from you but still so close. Colors in the darkness, light in the dark.